From KETK, you're watching East Texas Live.
Well, welcome back into East Texas Live on KETK. Joining us now is Kristen Harris. We are talking about the Family Circle of Care being awarded the Gold Quality Award. Good morning, and thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Yes, of course. Well, I guess let's just start off. Tell us, before we get into the award, tell us what Family Circle of Care is.
Okay. We have four medical clinics in Tyler, one on Glenwood, one on Broadway, one on West Gentry, one on East Houston Street. We also have a clinic in Athens and one in Jacksonville, and we have a mobile medical unit. And we serve everyone regardless of ability to pay. We have internal medicine, family medicine, pediatrics, OBGYN, and behavioral health services.
Oh, wow, I mean, that's a lot.
Yeah, there's a lot going on.
Yes. So now let's get to the award, right? So what exactly is the award, and what does it mean to you as a clinic, but also you personally?
Okay, great. So Family Circle of Care is a federally qualified health center. So HRSA is the federal agency that governs all community health centers nationwide. And they really are focused on making sure we provide wonderful quality care to the underserved in the country. And so each year they look at all of our quality data, and that's looking at all sorts of measures concerning controlling high blood pressure, diabetes, cervical cancer screening, breast cancer screening. There's about 20 of them. They're their main quality measures they look at. And then they rank all of the community health centers in the country. And we are in the top 10% of all community health centers in the country.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a big deal.
That's good.
It's a big deal. I mean, we know every day, we see what our doctors and nurse practitioners and nurses and medical assistants and front desk staff and referral specialists or care coordinators, we see what they're doing. We know we're doing great work. And then we see it when we're compared to the others on raw data and outcomes and preventive medicine, and we really feel validated and wonderful that we've been recognized to be in the top 10%.
I was going to say, that's got to make y'all feel great, especially coming out of what we've just gone through over the past 2 years.
Yeah, yeah. You know, I think people have really come together. People care. Our patients have been really receptive to coming back to us, getting their preventive care taken care of that maybe some people were putting off during the COVID pandemic. And our employees they're just great. They're so good with the patients. Our board of directors has really supported us in our growth efforts to grow and also maintain and improve the quality of care. We're proud of that.
Yeah, absolutely, as you should be too. So this is not the only award that you've been given. Kind of tell us about the other ones.
Yes, yes. So we received 3 additional awards from HRSA, and one is the Access Enhancer Award. And that's to any health center in the country that saw 5% or more patients in the past year. We actually increased the number of patients seen by 14%. We saw almost 26,000 patients last year. And we provided access to patients who might have had a difficult time getting in. We have a philosophy and a mission to serve all. And we have a sliding fee scale for the uninsured and the underinsured. We take Medicaid, Medicare, most commercial insurances. And we welcome everyone, and we're glad they came. We were glad we were able to increase service. We also received the Health Disparities Reducer Award. And that's a really special award because HRSA identifies that there are certain key quality metrics that we really need to improve among certain racial and ethnic groups. And we had particularly high scores where we exceeded national benchmarks in reducing low birth weight and also improving hypertension scores, and we're really proud of them. And we also received a Patient-Centered Medical Home Award, which means that an independent agency certified that we're providing patient-centered care.
All right. Okay, so where can we go for some more information to learn a little bit more about y'all?
Please come to our website. We are at tylercircleofcare.org. You can call or come into any of our clinics at 903-535-9041 to get an appointment. And we'd love to have people come in.
All right. Well, we will get that information posted to KETK.com as well. We certainly appreciate you being on with us this morning.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Of course. We'll keep it right here. We got more East Texas Live coming up right after this short break.